Hi, and this is hi to Marina Makushev, my little friend. How's your cats? How you doing? And I can't wait to meet you in the flesh and give you a real hug instead of all those little things we put up. And I'm really looking forward to doing the training there. And I have to also say I'm going to thank Helen Midas at the same time because she's doing a meetup there for everyone, and I'll be joining them that day. So Marina, thank you for all the work you're putting in, and I can't wait to get a hold of you and be with you live teaching SP. And you know, this is sort of an introduction to the video on what SP is all about. So I have to say that it's you can get the free book, and it's there, and the information on that's there, and it tells you, it's not like a manual, it's giving you what it's about and what it is. So just clear any misconceptions and also give you a lot of understanding of where we're headed with the training. Thanks very much, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, you see those guys kayaking? It's October here, which is we're going into winter, and it's beautiful weather, but that's not me. Don't expect me to be all that adventurous, Marina. Behave and just let me be my sweet self here, a landlubber.